So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x. You're asked to find the length of the chord which is bisected by the point 2, 1. You're asked to find the length of the chord which is bisected by the point 2, 1. So how do we go about solving this problem? So let us assume that this particular chord whose midpoint is 2, 1 meets the parabola at 2 points whose parameters are t1 and t2. Now, so we know that if this 2, 1 is the midpoint of these 2 points, the first point A, if it has a parameter of t1, the point is at1 square, 2at1, and the point B is at2 square, 2at2. Now, the midpoint of AB is given as P 2, 1. So, 2, 1 is nothing but A times T1 square plus T2 square by 2 and 2 times 2A times T1 plus T2 by 2. That is the formula for midpoint. So, now if 2, 1 is the midpoint, so the x coordinate 2 should be equal to this and the y coordinate 1 should be equal to this. These 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, you can see that t1 square plus t2 square is nothing but t1 square plus t2 square is nothing but 4 by a, and t1 plus t2 is equal to 1 by a. So, these are the two relations that you have for t1 and t2. Now, what is the length of AB? So, the question is about the length of the chord. What is the formula for length of the chord? A times t1 minus t2 mod times root of t1 plus t2 whole square plus 4. So, this is the formula for length of the chord. So, to know the length of the chord, you just need to know the difference between the parameters and the sum of the parameters. If you know these two, you can get the length of the chord. So, t1 plus t2 is already 1 by a, there is no doubt about it. So, you just need to find t1 minus t2. So, how do you get it? t1 minus t2 whole square is equal to t1 square plus t2 square, which is 4 by a minus 4 t1 t2. So, t1 minus t2 whole square is nothing but t1 plus t2 whole square, that is t1 square plus t2 square minus 2 times t1 t2. So, how do you get t1 t2? t1 t2 can be obtained by using these two. t1 t2 is nothing but t1 plus t2 whole square minus of, that is 2 t1 t2 is equal to t1 plus t2 whole square minus of t1 square plus t2 square, that is equal to t1 plus t2 whole square is 1 by a square minus of 4 by a. So, 2 t1 t2 is 1 by a square minus 4 by a. So, t1 minus t2 whole square is equal to 4 by a minus 1 by a square plus 4 by a. So, t1 minus t2 whole square is nothing but 8 by a minus 1 by a square, 8 by a minus 1 by a square. So, according to this question, a is equal to 1 by 4. A is equal to 1 by 4. If you put a is equal to 1 by 4, you get 32 minus 16, which is equal to 16. So, t1 minus t2 mod will be equal to 4. So, this will be equal to, so length of AB, I will write it here directly. So, length of AB is equal to 1 by 4 times t1 minus t2 is nothing but 4 into root of t1 plus t2 whole square. What is t1 plus t2? 1 by a. So, that is 1 by 4 is 4. So, 4 square 16 plus 4 is 20. So, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, that is equal to 2 root 5. So, length of the chord AB is 2 root 5. Thank you.